This is a zoo app which incorporates two users, which has a zoo user, I mean a zookeeper, and a normal user. So we'll head on to the normal user now. You can put anything after the sign up. You just log in quickly, and then these are all the features of the app basically. All the markers will show images or anything. Then you can learn more about the particular animal or anything. Or if you have kids or anything, you can go into the kids world and learn more. And for example, if you want to go somewhere, like you want to go in any of these exhibits here, we have another feature called directions around Singapore Zoo. Over here we have these preset places where you actually can go. But because I'm not actually at Singapore Zoo, it won't really work. But we'll at least get a small idea. So over here you have to just click the directions, allow notifications. These directions will be given here, and then on your right, there's definitions on your right. That's it. We have a game. So in this game, you have to like click each and every marker, and you will see an animal. For example, rabbit here, the hippos here, the elephants here, and the macaques here. There's a lot of animals. So this is a news box over here. This will alert you if you have lost any, if like your animals are low on health or anything. It's a good game if you want your children to play. Now we'll head on to AI animal identifier. Over for this, you need to open the setup file. Yeah, you have to do it for like a 1 to the correct reading. Now we will go on to the zookeeper side. Over here you can put your IC and everything, but you need to have like a fixed IC. Like it won't work if it's like this type of IC. This one also it won't work. So this is a fixed one you should have. Your D or Q. Q also works. Okay, now now over here, this is basically like an animal management system. Then over here we'll just paste our readings which we got from the previous one, which is this one. Then we'll just paste this one. Yes. So it has everything about it. It also says so yes, and you can give this information to the vet. This full you can copy and you can pass over to the vet. So it's easy. So now we'll go back to the zoo. So yeah, that's it.